Hey everyone! Today, I am going to show you how to make Monkey D. Luffy in Infinite Craft game. So, let's get started. First think first. Take water. And put in the field. And then put water in the water. When you do that, you will get lake. Then, take water and put in the field. Then put water in the lake. When you do that, you will get ocean. Now, put fire in the ocean. When you do that, you will get steam. After that, remove the steam. When you did this, take fire and put in the field. Then, put fire in the fire. When you do that, voila! You will get volcano. Now, take ocean and put in the volcano. When you do this, voila! You will get island. After that, take water and put in the island. When you put water in the island, voila! You will get ship. Now, take lake and put in the ship. When you do that, you will get pirate. Now, it's time to go to other side. Take earth and put in the field. Then, take water and put in the earth. When you do that, you will get plant. Now, take wind and put in the plant. When you do that, you will get dandelion. Now, we will go to the other side. For this, we will take plant and put in the field. Then, take plant and put in the plant. When you do that, you will get tree. Now, again take tree and put in the tree. When you do that, you will get forest. Now, further, take forest and put in the forest. After this step, your forest became the jungle. Now, it's time to combine these elements that are in your field. Take jungle and put in the dandelion. When you do that, you will get monkey, a sweet animal. Do you like it? We are straying form our target. Next step is to take wind and put in the monkey. When you do that, you will get Monkey King. Now, the final step is to take Monkey King and put in the pirate. And guess what? When you do this, voila! You will get Monkey D. Luffy. Now, congratulations! You have successfully made Monkey D. Luffy in Infinite Craft game. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.